Why do 73% of home decorators swear by DIY? Because it's fun, budget-friendly, and adds a personal touch. Let's get started. First up, let's make a stunning wall art piece. Grab a canvas, some painter's tape, and your favorite paint colors. Tape off sections in a geometric pattern, then fill in each section with a different color. Peel off the tape, and voila! Instant chic wall art. Next, let's create some cozy throw pillows. All you need is fabric, pillow stuffing, and a needle and thread. Cut your fabric into 2 equal squares, sew 3 sides, stuff it, and sew the final side. Now you've got custom pillows to match your style. Finally, let's make a rustic centerpiece. Collect some mason jars, twine, and fresh flowers. Wrap the twine around the jars' necks, fill them with water and flowers, and arrange them on your table. Simple yet stunning. And there you have it. 3 easy DIY decor tips to transform your home. Happy decorating!